Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we'll see how to promote your video through YouTube. So for that, you have to go to the YouTube studio. And here we'll go to the YouTube studio from YouTube channel. For that, just click on YouTube studio. Then go to the content, then promotion tab. Then here click on new promotion and choose audience growth. You can choose based on your requirement. I'll choose audience growth for now. Then you can preview the settings over here. This is how it can be seen to the other customer or other people on YouTube. Then here you can choose the country where you want to play your video through promotion. Then you can select the option that you want to choose. I'll go for second one. Then I'll click for no, and you can select the advanced setting, choose the person you want to show this promotion with the ages group. And you can filter some more requirements over here, but I'll leave blank for now. Then click on next. Then here you can choose the money. You can start from $1, but for my video purpose, I will do $5. And from $5, you can see how much views you will get through this promotion. And once you're happy, click on promote. Then your video is promoted and the promotion is on pending status. Then once you go inside here, you can see the status of the promotion and you can see same setting that you put over there. If you see my previous one promotion, I have spent 4.99 and I have got 436 views with 106 subscriber added. So this way it can give you subscriber plus views as well. But remember, the views and the subscriber that you get doesn't count for monetization. And regarding the payment, you have to set up a Google Ads account where you can save the payment method and link that Google Ads account to the YouTube Studio via setting. So this is how you can pay the money. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you and I will help you as well. I hope you like the video content. If you found it useful, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.